Okay, everyone, welcome back to Cooking with TK. Today, you guys, as you seen in the thumbnail, I am going to prepare a easy cake recipe for you guys. I know that there are some people out there that have never made a cake. Who would like to make a cake for their family, maybe for the holidays, or for just a regular Sunday dinner, or for a potluck at work, or they just want to know how to bake a cake. Okay, you guys, Thanksgiving is next week. You have Christmas coming next month. So this will be a easy, beginner-friendly cake recipe. If you guys would like to know how to make a beginner-friendly recipe for a cake, then this is the video for you. Okay, so all the ingredients that you will need I have here. You will need 1 cup of unsalted room temperature butter. Okay, so that's what I have. Unsalted sweet cream butter, room temperature. This you can get for about $2-3 a pack at Walmart. Okay, I didn't take the lids off of this yet. I'm going to use some almond extract. Okay, you don't have to use almond extract, but you will need to use some kind of vanilla extract. Okay, I use the imitation vanilla extract, but you can use pure vanilla bean. You will need 4 eggs, 4 large eggs for this recipe. Here I have 3 cups of flour. Okay, I set this out earlier. That's why it has a lid on it. So you will need 3 cups of self-rising flour. You don't have to sift it or anything. You will also need 2 cups of sugar. That's what I have here. 2 cups of sugar. You will need some non-stick flavor. I'm using butter flavor because this is a cake. You can get Baker's Joy, but you're going to need some non-stick spray for baking. This butter flavor works really well for cakes. Now you can use whatever type of cake pan that you would like. Get your spatula. The cake pan that I'm using is a Bundt pan. Okay, this is my choice, but you can use whatever type of cake pan you need. And I am going to show you how to do the frosting, but let's focus on the cake first.
And we're going to add in our sugar. A little bit at a time. I'm going to add in half of it, and then I'm going to add in the other half, okay? So let me lock my stand. And let's start that. We're going to start out slow. And we're going to mix this together, okay? You want to cream your butter and sugar together first. Anytime you make a cake, dry ingredients together.
So now I'm going to go in and add the other half of the sugar. I'm going to put that on the powder. Maybe it'll mix in. I don't want to lose none of this goodness for this cake. We want it to work out well. Okay, so now let me go ahead and let this down. I'm going to cream this part of the butter and sugar together, okay? Okay, everyone, so this is what it's supposed to look like after you cream your butter and sugar together. You can turn it up high and let it go ahead and whip up together faster, okay? So let's go ahead and I'm going to scrape this off the edge like so. So get you a good spatula where you can scrape all that down to the bottom like I'm doing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in 1 egg at a time. So you guys, this is what it looks like with the egg, the sugar, and the butter mixture mixed together. So let's go ahead and get your 3 cups of self-rising flour, because that's what you're using. Same thing. Look good, taste good, be good, all good, okay? Now, I'm going to take my time with this, okay? So let me lock it back. Let me go slow, because we don't want flour to be puff up in the air everywhere. Okay? So that's the first half. Y'all did, okay. So now let's go ahead and let's add in some more of this flour. Because remember, we add a little bit in at the time. Because for one, you don't want that flour to fly up everywhere. Well, I got all this stuff on my hand. Y'all, hold on a minute. Let me, I'm going to start it out slow. Like that. And I'll be back once I have all the flour mixed in together. Okay, everyone, so we have all of our flour mixed in. The last thing we need to do is just add in our vanilla flavoring, whatever type of flavoring you choose. I'm just going to add in about 2 teaspoons of vanilla flavoring. And I'm going to add in the same for the almond extract, okay? You can use lemon extract if you like, make it taste lemony, or you can use all 3 at one time, make it taste really good, okay? Then flavoring in the extract, and then our next step is going to be to get ready to place it into our baking dish. And make sure you have your oven preheated to 375 degrees, okay? Okay, everyone, so this is the proper consistency that your cake batter should be once you have mixed everything in. Make sure that you mix your cake batter together for about 3 to 4 minutes, maybe no longer than 5, okay? Make sure that you do one last stir from the bottom to make sure that there's no ingredients, no flour, no sugar, or anything at the bottom of your mixing bowl. Remember, this is going to be the easiest cake that you can ever make. Okay, so spray your pan down, whatever baking dish that you have chosen. You can use a sheet pan, whatever baking dish, and get ready to pour your batter in. Spray it really good. Remember, you can use Baker's Joy, any type of spray that is good for baking purposes only, okay? That's what I'm using, the butter flavored spray, which is going to be better for baking like cookies, cakes, and pies. And that's what you should be looking for too, the same thing, okay? So place that in your Bundt pan like I'm doing, and make sure that you have your oven preheated to 375 degrees. Okay, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven. And I'll be back when I get ready to check on it. It shouldn't take long, maybe 35, 45 minutes to be done. But I'll let you know the exact time of how long it'll take. Remember, whatever type of pan you use and the time for it to be completed will vary, okay? Okay, so here's my cake, everyone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to test it again. Okay, so that's good enough for it to come on out of the oven. And I'm going to allow this to cool, and I'm going to make the icing, okay? So let me get ready to take this out of the oven. Okay, so here in the bowl I have some powdered sugar. I added some cocoa powder to it, and I added a little bit of about a tablespoon of vanilla extract. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of milk, not a lot. I'm going to add a little bit at a time. I'm going to stir this and just mix it up really, really well. And I'm going to use this for my icing, okay? Just a drizzle ice type of icing, okay? So you just go ahead and you mix that together really, really well until it's incorporated good. I'm going to leave everything that I'm using in the description box below so that you too can do this, okay? I'll be back after I get this mixed up really, really well, okay? Okay, everyone, so our easy beginner friendly cake is done. You can decorate your cake however you like. Like I said, I'm not the best cake decorator, but I just gave you a simple, easy recipe. And I just put some cherries on here, and I crushed up some nuts and put them on top for decoration. So if you enjoyed this recipe, give this video a big thumb up. And stay tuned to my channel for another video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share. Leave lots of comments down below. And yeah, I got some nut crumbs down there, y'all. That's all that is from where I put the nuts on here. Y'all have a great day. Peace.